Kulang si Tito. Because
so spontaneous.
Yeah, because it's finally our first day of school again.
Yeah.
Hindi na po kami magkaklase.
No, she's PTA. I remain at PTD.
Yeah, she's still PTD. But yeah, let's see how this year will go without the both of us together.
Oh, my invisible string is gone. No.
I just got home and showered. I'm getting ready for bed. Pero since it's late already and medyo madami pa akong kailangan ayusin, linisin ng mga gamit. And I just want to sleep. So, i-prepare ko na lang yung mga kailangan ko for tomorrow. 7 AM meron kaming path fit. So yeah, magpa-blanch na lang ako ng uniform and then maybe do a little work and then I haven't been recording yung first and second subject namin because daming nangyayari. But we had our path fit class kaninang 7 AM sa QPAV. Dumiretso na ako back here sa dorm para sa online orientation and lecture namin for MSK na medyo nag-overtime. So, ngayon pa lang ako nagkaroon ng free time to record. And yun lang ako magluluto ng lunch kasi hindi na ako makakalabas for lunch dahil meron naman kaming online orientation for FISMOD by 12. And it's currently 11:45. So what we're gonna do is cook lunch right now. This is our first and only class for today, guys. Tanghaling tapat. I'll see you there. Hi guys, I'm back home. And nalimutan ko na naman mag-video ng class namin kanina. Like, going to class. I forgot to take a video. Class is done, guys. So, now, I'll be waiting for my other friends to finish their classes. Titingnan namin kung lalabas kami later. EMS pa din. Some gamit na hindi ko pa rin nai-EMS. Eat lunch kasi hindi pa ako nagla-lunch.
Yeah!
Annyeong!
Annyeong! Dito man!
So, according to Bragg and Cross and Van Eaton, research questions can be classified as descriptive, etiology, intervention, sa condition. So, basically, you are
Meron guys silang kalokohan na ginawa.
Hindi kami nagbabasa ng GC. Online lang pa.
Online lang sila ng 7:30. Pero dito sila with us. Para sa moral support namin. Thanks sa moral support, guys. It's lunchtime. We're gonna try this tteokbokki na nahanap ko sa supermarket. I don't really eat this unhealthy I have been eating rice the past few days, of course. But right now, I just want to try something new. Our last class. Tanga ako. Alam, pakita. Friday. Kilala niyo ba ito, guys? Guess me, please. Guys, look at this. You can see I'm home. It's currently Friday and the only thing that we did was nagkaroon na kami ng General Assembly kanina sa school. So after that, I went directly home because I have org works naman to finish. So later at 8 p.m, I'm gonna have a meeting with them. Then we're gonna do some work and then if kaya ko pa, I have to study. I just woke up and I still have a lot of things to study.